So we've created the page. Now we need to create the PHP script. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a new file, and we're going to call this one post email.php. Note the .php, that's because it's a PHP file, or it's going to be a PHP file. And we can again use the standard HTML template because we need to have some HTML in there for it to be understandable. In theory, you could just have the PHP, but it's nice to have it surrounded by a true HTML template, just in case we want to put some HTML content in there. And again, we could just do a couple of things if we wanted to. We could just create the title and call it post email. Not that it makes much difference, but what happens is when you actually click or it gets posted, it'll load this page. So you can have content in there to say, nice title, have a message completed, back, all that kind of stuff. So the only other thing I'm going to do to actually create PHP, and as I said in the first lecture, this course isn't about teaching you PHP, but you will learn some aspects of it. What we need to do this, and that says, this is the start of some PHP code, and then at the end of the PHP code, you just close it with a question mark and a close bracket there. So everything now within this part here will be PHP code. And that we're going to do in the next lecture.